Hi, my amazing planner people. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and as you can see, I have a bit of a haul today. This is all from Archer and Olive, so I'm going to go ahead and open up this box and maybe take what's in it out of it so you can see, because it is such a large box. So let's just go ahead. I'll have my trusty little knife here. Split it down there. So Archer and Olive is a stationery company. I think they're most well known for their books, like their journal type books, or you can use them. I will show you. Woo. Okay, that feels better. Let me bring you guys down a little bit. There we go. All right. So Archer and Olive is a company that is well known for their stationery, especially their dot grid notebooks. And they also sell some really amazing markers. They had a 45% off sale, so I went ahead and picked up a couple of things for the new year. So let's, I think, start with this. Just kind of flip this top. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Because it was part of the winter collection. Ooh. So I've heard about their notebooks. I've never actually had one myself. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. I love doodling, and so I like the idea of being able to sit here and doodle, and I'm thinking this is going to be my wellness journal for the next year. So it says handcrafted journals and planners to enhance your everyday life. That's a cute sentiment. There we go. Very nicely wrapped in this paper here. Oh, and there it is. Oh, cute. Use that to open it up. So it's a 160 dot grid page journal. I think that's what we would call it. I'm just gonna slip this part off. This is a really thick type paper here. Actually kind of want to save it if I can, so I can see reusing it. So put that off to the side. You have these silver edged pages that look so beautiful. You have a pen tab right there. And then this book belongs to, this is like almost a cardstock page. And then you have your normal pages here. So they are very thick because a lot of people use this as an art journal. So it's meant to be able to handle things like paints and really nice markers and things like that, which is why I did purchase, because at the price point they were at, I want to say I paid maybe $20 for these. And I've never used these markers before, but I've always been very interested in them. And if you go on the Archer and Olive Instagram page, you'll see all of these beautiful doodles that they do with them. I can't remember the name of the markers off the top of my head, though. So I have to open them to show you. Oh, here we go. Acrylograph, I think is the name. So this is the warm fall selection in 0.7 millimeters. And then I also got the 0.3 millimeter cool fall selection, because I wasn't sure which size tip I was really going to want. And then this one is the 0.7 millimeter jewel selection. So they all have, I think it's the white one, or like the whitish gray one, and the rest of the tones kind of vary. So I'm excited to try them out. I actually really like this case they come in as well. I used to draw all the time, and after I had kids, it became a time thing. So it says shake, press, clean, and store. So I think they're like a marker that is more paint-based. But here are they in their all their glory. What's this up here? Oh, these are replacement tips in case you need them. It's kind of nice. I hate it when the tip gets dull. So we have, let's see here, whatever color this is. Do they have colors wrote on them? That one doesn't. Maybe that's the blending one. Nope, they don't. Unless I'm missing it somewhere, they don't have colors wrote on them. But I really, really like these colors. I think they're beautiful. And then you can kind of see a page here. And then this, they're saying you can use as your blending palette. I kind of want to experiment a little on my own before I show that to you, because I am not an experienced marker guru. I tend to use colored pencils instead, but my daughter is very big into markers. And so I thought maybe I could get her to show me a few things. So there's that one. And then these are water-based markers, not alcohol-based or anything like that, which makes them a little easier to clean up. So it's this side here. Love this teal color right here. I think it's amazing. So these are the 3mm tips. I really couldn't decide what colors I liked best, so that's why I went with the 3 different ones. And with the big discount, it really wasn't too bad. I mean, it was a splurge, but it wasn't horrible. Okay. And then there is my last one. I love that they come in this really thick styrofoam. I don't know if I'll be keeping them in it long term, but I do like it in the short term. All right, guys, this is editing Jess. So I was going through my footage and realized for this haul that I never got to these 2 items. I think I was in a hurry or something. So I'm just going to record them now so you have that. So in that envelope, the only thing that was in there was this pen. It's a blending pen for blending the colors together, which is something I wanted to test out. I'm not sure if there's one in the cases or not. There might be, but that was what was in there. And then I also ordered some decorative washes. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch those out for you guys so you can see them as well. I was really surprised at how cheap this was. I want to say that I only spent like $4 or something on all these washes, which I can't seem to open right now. Be with this. No, that's not going to work either. What are they stuck on? Okay, fine. We're ripping the box. So I think this was their winter set of washi. Does it say on it? It's just this decorative tape. So it doesn't even say washi on there. All right. It's all good. And unlike the Simply Gilded ones, they're not wrapped in plastic. It's just the paper box. So from a environmental standpoint, I think that's a little bit better, but I'm not sure. And then let's go in here, right here, and we'll swatch everything out. with my nifty little craft knife here. So this first one is super cute. You have like these little mushrooms in purple. You have some gold there. You have these butterflies and like little stamps and things. I think it's adorable. And very different from anything I currently have. I don't know how far the pattern goes, but it's super pretty. So there is that one. I really like it. I especially like the stamps. So I'm going to put, I think, this one right below it, which is just, has like little flowers. I especially love this daisy. Oh, sorry. And then we have leaves and other flowers. It's just really pretty and all in that cooler tones. I need more. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that is really pretty. Look at both of those. So pretty. Okay, those are gonna be really fun to use. And then this is just a very traditional, like kind of Christmassy plaid with a dark maroon type color. Just looking for the end of the tape. Oh, there it is. Oh, I don't know. I might have just stripped it. Funny. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. I'll just have to trim off a little extra on that side. No big deal. Or I can just leave it. It's fine. It's just my book, right? So there's the plaid. It's very, very simple. Be great for like layering things and that kind of thing. And then I think this kind of background color here matches this one. Oh, this is like a little bit like the Simply Gilded washies that she does, only it's not perforated. So we have this week reminder to do, notes, goals, habit tracker. What else we got here? Oh, just one more, it looks like. And important. It's pretty cool. There are those with that nice gold foil. It's kind of a matte gold foil. So that should finish up this particular haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I can't wait to set this up as my wellness journal, planner, whatever you want to call it. It's probably going to be some combination of the two. So keep, if you want to see that come together, make sure you hit that subscribe button over there. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I think that's it. So I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.